Experience a burst of sunset colors with our rainbow salad with chicken and creamy lemon dressing. This vibrant, low-carb meal is ready in just 45 minutes, offering a delightful mix of flavors and textures. For the salad, you'll need chopped romaine, sliced carrots, grated beets, sliced radishes, and shredded red cabbage. Top it with either cooked chicken or tofu. Add roasted pepitas or toasted walnuts for crunch. For the dressing, combine mayonnaise, lemon juice and zest, kosher salt, garlic, black pepper, and a touch of mustard or turmeric. Begin by arranging the greens and vegetables on a large platter. Add your choice of chicken or tofu on top. Whisk together the dressing ingredients, adjusting salt to taste. Drizzle some dressing over the salad and sprinkle with pepitas or walnuts. This simple preparation ensures a visually stunning and delicious meal. Serve the salad with extra dressing on the side, allowing everyone to customize their portion. The vibrant colors and fresh ingredients make it a perfect centerpiece for any meal, energizing both body and spirit. This rainbow salad is not just a feast for the eyes, but also a nutritious delight. Whether you choose chicken or tofu, the creamy lemon dressing ties everything together beautifully. Enjoy the energizing power of this colorful dish. To learn more about this and other diabetes recipes, news, and events, visit diatribe.org and subscribe to our newsletter.